Ever wonder how to transform your garden into a foliage-focused paradise? The beauty of these gardens lies in their variety and ease of maintenance. Choosing the right plants for your climate, soil, and sun exposure is key. Creating a foliage-focused garden is not as daunting as it may seem, and the rewards are immense. Begin by selecting your plants, focusing on their leaf shapes, sizes, and colors. Variety is the spice of life, and it's no different in a foliage garden. Consider a mix of large and small leaves, perhaps a splash of color here, a textured leaf there. But don't forget, your plants should love their home as much as you do. So choose those that thrive in your local climate and soil type. Remember, the key to a successful foliage garden is diversity and understanding your plant's needs. Once you've selected your plants, it's time to get them in the ground. Planting is an art and a science. Correct spacing, depth, and orientation are vital for healthy growth. Each plant needs room to breathe, access to sunlight, and a depth that suits its root system. Now let's talk arrangement. Visual impact is achieved by mixing leaf shapes, sizes, and colors. Think of your garden as a canvas, and you're the painter. With careful planting and arrangement, your garden will soon be a leafy oasis. A foliage-focused garden, like any garden, requires regular care and attention. Remember, watering is as essential as sunshine, while pruning helps maintain shape and encourages growth. Regular fertilization is key to vibrant, healthy leaves. But it's not just about these maintenance tasks. Keep a keen eye on your garden, observing for any signs of distress or disease. Catching problems early can save a lot of heartache down the line. With a little care and attention, your foliage garden will provide you with beauty and enjoyment for years to come. Creating a foliage-focused garden is a rewarding and enjoyable project. We've covered getting started, planting, arranging, and maintenance. So, ready to embrace leafy beauty? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.